Yeah man people, yeah man people, will not deal with people. Hope y'all feeling good, hope y'all feeling blessed, hope y'all feeling, feeling nice. How y'all doing? Happy Easter. Hope y'all being good, hope y'all eat up on a bun and cheese. You see me? Hope y'all celebrating. You see me? Hope y'all giving thanks for all the sacrifice God making on life. Sacrifice God made for y'all so y'all can be here. And for all the stuff y'all in our life, you see me? But you see what we are deal with people. Yeah man, today we there with another hit and a smash and a banger. And who we here with? We here with an artist that's no stranger to the channel, who me I talk about today. Yeah man, I'm talking about none other than that. Yeah, it's that giant up. Calling like yabba dabba do. Me I talk about who? Me I talk about none than Kraff himself. Yeah man, that Kraff. Yeah, see me there with another song called Suspense and a music video. Apparently, see me, it should be like Kraff, really dope artist. You see me, one of the dopest young artists out right now, really doing them thing, making hits and bangers. You see me, so yeah man, should be a dope track. Kraff there with another music video called Suspense. We're gonna check it out and see what's going on, people. How y'all doing? Y'all enjoying your Easter night up on a bun and cheese? You see me, I hope your year going good. I hope you're alright, taking care of yourself and your family, giving thanks and blessings, It's crazy out here, but we're not gonna force it, we're gonna focus on the positive and we're just gonna try to live life, create our own little world, Yeah man, people, we're there with another banger. Kraff there with a song called Suspense, and I'm gonna check it out and see what going on. Kraff doing him thing in the music industry and doing his thing for the culture. Music and videos are always shot, so hopefully nothing change. Hopefully he keeps it the same. You see me? People, you don't know what time it is. Let me know what you're thinking in the comments section. Let's chop it up. Give me thoughts on people. Let me know how I'm reacting next. We'll jump right in and try this Kraff Suspense. Let's get it.
Hey, Jab Tab.
We fucked up, alright? So what? So everybody does shit. Get on with your life, would you?
Yo, Sam.
Hands up. Hands up. Come in. Please, Black man, lager, smoke, all the tear that young cut.
I'm in the dark here.
Dark.
You understand? I'm in the dark.
Dark night, darkness. Come in,
Niggas on the future, me feel undefeated, do fi beat me still a bonnet. One shot me use kill him, boy, I don't even feel like on it. Gunshot no carry feelings, this will left your mama ballin'. Pump action carry hatred feel.
Yo, gunshot no carry feelings, this will left your mama ballin'. Come in,
A pussy well of talk lip, this girl no carry safety. Fuck around, he left your heart, let's shot clip you like slavery. So move me, don't you fuck me, nah, no screw me, love you, fuckery if you true.
This no carry safety, left your heart, let's be yourself, yo. Love you, fuck if you choke, come in.
Red beam on the Nina, she wear lipstick today. Car trunk, gotta either which bitch wanna play.
Ooh, come on, yo, dog, switch up your flow, nice here, man. Red beam on, hey, be yourself, come in.
Oh, now you shall feel how which pussy will align with steel.
Oh, now you shall feel how which pussy will align with steel. Come in,
oh, now you shall feel. Oh, now you shall, oh, now you shall, oh, now you shall feel. Then I'm gonna believe till I see a pain real. Oh, now you shall feel how which pussy will align with steel.
Oh, now you shall feel. Hey, come in, man.
Oh, now you shall feel. 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 Tell Jedi left fi shotty, bring you one way shoot faster. Extend up on the blick, yeah man, the belly full of torture. Sin of them we pop a pill and put a whip up on a Tara. And the lyrics me a bill when me say
Come on, no dog. Yo, Kraff, why you deal with the tracks so nasty, brother? Come in.
me nah have no heart, yeah. Step. 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 And me say Fee-5-4 from killer them the bus whole gunshot cement in a mouth front. Hey fat boy don't run, K-clap house born down. M16 bullet them a suck me a we cut long. She pussy pass, Easy Bertha sing it hot chop.
Come in, no man, you better be able to self, youth.
She pussy pass, Easy Bertha sing it hot chop. Bunks head like landmine, leak brain and catch windpipe.
Bunks head like landmine, leak brain and catch windpipe. Come in, no brother, you be able to self.
Oh, now you shall feel how it pussy will align with steel. Oh, now you shall feel. Oh, now you shall. Oh, now you shall. Oh, now you shall feel. You're not gonna believe till I see say pain real. Oh, now you shall feel how it pussy will align with steel.
Be able to self. Boom. Boom.
Become a cybersecurity.
Yo, Kraff, come on, dog. That should have been a little bit longer. Yeah, man, Kraff. Dog, you can stay doing your thing, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Now I'm playing with the game, brother. Keep doing your thing, man. We love it, yo. We love it, dog. Vibes. You see me, dog. Lyrics and style, dog. You see me, Kraff. One of the best young artists out right now. You see me? Yeah, man. Just can't wait to see that growing and veteran years and these sophomore serious about to do. You know what I'm saying? He keeps doing mad collabs. He keeps doing songs that's just crazy by himself. His early body of work was crazy. You know what I'm saying? His first project was definitely crazy. So I'm looking forward to seeing an album from Kraff, or at least another EP or so coming soon. You know what I'm saying? But he's definitely putting some work, making some major moves. The collabs that he's doing is definitely like, yeah, me likes that. You know what I mean? He's making different moves. So, but I hope he got a good management team behind him, because you know, I need to see him make some moves like Skillibang and Skenka, them man there, you know what I'm saying, doing their thing overseas and yard. So then, you know, Kraff, keep doing your thing, brother. You see me? You're destined for greatness. You see me? But yeah, man, people, that was Kraff, Suspense. Let me know anything about that one day. You see me? If I like it, definitely gonna show the artist some love and support. You make him know that Jambisco than senior. You see me? Drop your comments in the comment section and let me know what you think. What's your favorite part, lyrics, video, beat, whatever it is, flow. Let me know. You know what I'm saying? Drop in the comment section. We can talk about it. Let's chop it up. Let me know what you want me to react to next, and I'll get it done. You already know what time it is, guys. So boy Jambisco was here, and I hit and I smash on a banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.